What's up guys, it's me, Piston Concepts. Today we got a little something special to do. We're building our big brake kit on a 25 Volkswagen Taos. Not a lot of people mod them. They're either slammed, bagged, or even lifted. So right now we're trying to do more of an OEM plus build. We're doing a 356 6-piston violet painted calipers with a black hat and slotted rotors. The rear is going to upgrade it to our GeoCarbon slotted with OEP pads.
It's a painted purple with a raw logo.
It super anodized. I mean, sorry, it's raw.
What's going on guys, it's Rex from R1 Concepts. We are back in the shop. Today we got a 2025 Volkswagen Taos in for a bit of an upgrade. This build is going to be more of an enthusiast OEM plus build, so we're actually going to step it up to a big brake kit upgrade. They are running 18s in this, so we're going to be running a 356 6-piston setup in the front. Should put a good nice pop behind the wheel and perform really good. So we already did one side, everything bolted on beautifully, just nice and easy. Right here we have the stock rotor compared to the new rotor with a 2-piece design. A lot more cooling, heat dissipation. Here's the new caliper that will be going on next to the old caliper. As you can see, it's a big single sliding piston style caliper. Works great for OEM, but you know, if you're an enthusiast, you want to change things up, you know, a big brake kit is the way to go. Dude, overall it feels really good. I mean, this is a really light car. It feels like a go-kart, you know, with steroid on brakes, as you can see.